What is that? Why would you do that? Why should you beat your wife? Why should you insult your wife? Why should you do this? And as a young preacher, when I mount the pulpit and I'm preaching, you see the youthful exuberance, jumping and talking about marriage. One day, one of our fathers, one of the past administrative bishop of the Methodist Church Ghana, the Right Reverend McLean Kumi, once told me, "Yeah, my son, marriage has its theoretical aspect and its practical aspect. Until you are married, you will not understand the practicality of marriage." I wrote it down. I penned it down somewhere. And out of my 8 years of marriage, I begin to understand that certain things, if you aren't doing it, it is just grace. So I'm not here to say that people should abuse their wives, people should maltreat their wives. No, but I want people to understand that sometimes they said if you have not crossed the river, you don't insult the crocodile. Oh no. If you haven't got a certain level in life, if you have not overcome the troubles in life, you don't cast judgment on people. And so the fact that you are a chorister, the fact that you are a lay preacher, the fact that you are a reverend minister, the fact that you are a bishop doesn't automatically qualify you that you are better than anybody out there. The fact that you sit in the choir, the fact that you sit in the church doesn't make you automatically a genuine person or a righteous person. And so when you are passing judgment on people, no. And so when you read, my Bible says that judge not, and you shall not. You read Matthew 7, it says that do not judge. When the time you get to pass on people, the same judgment you shall receive. Oh, a lot of us have passed a lot of judgments. Sometimes, even in politics, I'm sure somebody is out there saying that, oh, and then am I waiting? Oh, you better me oh, now we own this or says car. Well, it's gonna show us, and then you're actually who's the guy? Like, what's she has gonna be that? How about it? Why are president and that? So I always when they are doing campaign, you see them say a lot of things, and when they sit on the throne, they tell you something different. And in fact, that one they tell us the truth. You know why? Because what you hear, oh, they are different. But I say, hey, Sana Bono, Sana Say, your bobola. Now here I am moving your way. See, and here say, I'm going to take the boy who can pass my way and go ahead and yank yourself. Well, we don't go to the man. Keep up ready when come here. So, your war school na your bobo na your down for be na the day or Henry David. Or Henry Sawar Shamia. Israel pa. I David, only my depart only ball. Gee, a boys in so boys who are they? In the answer, man, a bobby. Coyo school na jam pie boy auntie, yet your friend are suffer. Just offer some more, so then the bobby. And the young boy and I made a penalty when he said, oh, I give my mobina, then she be at least. Let's make your fans catch. Why, what penalty in the young court? And you are not for no more. I need to penalty yet. Keep on that him. Fans is reaching at tea. Young more hilly, oh, Charlie, share. Your man direction in her. Hina query. Bakum you, pa, in the boy. Oh, boy, ya. Keep an answer. I'm more back. And said, I'll go over so. One has answered it. Acquayeti one of oh, and yes, and I'm going to hear this on here. Said you never want to about the head, you want to know. And easy. Mokoye, you start getting with a Mokoboni 5 minutes. Me change him. Hey, change. What's it there? People say, come on. Yeah, play the call back where we never pay quite that. Makume, I am saying this to let you know, say. Ebia, by the grace and the mercy of God, you are at a certain level in life. Don't pass judgment on people. Our salvation came out of the mercy of God, not because we married, not because we did anything righteous. Because righteous now, you know, who body period. Now that I'm one thing. Oh, righteous now, they saw them one also your crown, enti Farisini ikogyina hɔ kɔbɔ mpaeɛ saa dɔnhwere ni ma na Bible sɛ obi a ɔyɛ togyefo to ba sa bɛbɔ mpaeɛ enti te sɛ ɔde to de ohun ne ho sɛ ɔno deɛ wawu kan ne nkɔsɔfo.
The Pharisee stood and prayed thus with himself, God, I thank thee that I am not like other men, extortioners, unjust, adulterers, or even like this tax collector. I